Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up O Launcher. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so first step is to go ahead and download and install O Launcher from your Player App Store. So click on download and install. Now once that is done, we want to go ahead and open it up for the first time. Then from here, it's going to say set O Launcher as your default home app. So you need to go ahead and enable that, because if you don't, it's not going to work properly. So set as default. Now once we've done that, it's going to say swipe up for all apps, long press anywhere for settings. So I'm going to swipe up. Now we can see our apps here, so we can go ahead and choose which app you like to add to your home screen. So for example, if I want to go ahead and add the Google Chrome, I want to click on Google Chrome. So that's how to use that. Now on the home page here, it says app. So to go ahead and add an app for like a quick menu, go ahead and long press on the app, and then go ahead and find which app you'd like to set up on your home screen. So say for example, I have my camera there, it's going to select that. So just do that for the other apps here. Now if we want to go ahead and access settings, we can go ahead and long press anywhere on that page. And also, O Launcher, welcome to the settings. Remember, if you have any questions about our about page, has the answer. Okay, now this is where we can play around the settings here. So if we want to go ahead and change how many apps on the home screen, we can do that. So go ahead and click onto that. If we want, like say 6 apps, we can show date and time, app alignment left or right, or I think center, screen time. So if I want to turn that off, so to show hide your screen time on home, please allow or disallow. So we can go to permissions for that, and then just keep scrolling down here. So you can play around all the settings here. And now to get back, just go ahead and click on the back button. Now you can see here I've changed the layout. So I've got the camera app as my first one. I need to add more here. So if I long press on the second app here, now say for example I want to have messengers as the next one. So I'm going to scroll all the way down for messengers. Here we go here. So yeah, so that's how to set up O Launcher.